Honk your semis in my lane, share the road, you blankety blank. Can't you see I'm late for work? Why do you have to be such a jerk? Moron drivers everywhere, not like me, Lord I swear. Where'd you get your driver's license? Why didn't they require common sense? Get your big rig out of my lane. Why do you have to be such a pain? Speed demons go flying past, slowpokes tie things up too fast. Cut across 3 lanes, you idiot, swerve for you and I'm in the ditch. My old beater's been hit before, red lights I simply ignore. I must get to where I'm going, doesn't matter if it's raining or snowing. Honk your semis in my lane, share the road, you blankety blank. Now I know why Jesus came 2,000 years before multiple lanes. Love thy neighbor was easier than a challenge now when fenders bend. Shepherds came to see him cry, wise men too, I don't know why. Just so glad he's my Savior, die in a wreck, of that I'm sure. Go to heaven after I die, peace at last in the by and by. What? Oh, yeah. Merry Christmas to you too. I might get somewhere by then if traffic ever starts moving.